This video describes cytotoxic T cells. Here is the outline of this video. There is only one thing to remember from this video. Cytotoxic T cells, as the name implies, destroy abnormal cells in our body like killer.
Cytotoxic T cells, also known as killer T cells, are one of the T cells in our body. B cells and T cells are involved in acquired immunity, and half of the T cells are these cytotoxic T cells, which are very important. The structure of a TC cell looks like this. Like other T cells, TC cells have only one type of TCR and express the CD8 protein on the cell surface. It is characteristic for TC cells that they have cytotoxic granules when they are activated. First, red TC cells are produced in the bone marrow. Next, these cells move to the thymus and mature there, and then they get antigen presentation and are activated, and plays active roles throughout the body.
At the thymus, first, the progenitor cells make premature T cells. These T cells express various TCRs and CD4 or CD8s. Among the various T cells, those that respond moderately to autoantigen are accepted. And those that do not react at all or react too strongly to the autoantigen are eliminated and led to apoptosis. Of the accepted T cells, only those that have CD8 remain and leave the thymus as mature TC cells.
TCR recognizes antigenic peptides presented by MHC class I on dendritic cells. TC cells also need co-stimulative signals for activation. When the abnormal cells present non-self antigens, TC cells react quickly to kill the abnormal cells. TC cells lead the abnormal cells to apoptosis through various approaches.
When we get infected to an infectious disease, macrophages and dendritic cells eat the virus and present their antigen to T and B cells so that they activate. The power of activated helper T cells may be required for TC cell activation. Activated helper T cells promote cytotoxicity of killer T cells, and activated killer T cells recognize target cells by the virus antigen.
Almost the same thing occurs in cancer. In the case of cancer, killer T cells recognize cancer antigens and attack target cells. However, if cancer cells conceal MHC class I, killer T cells cannot kill cancer cells and immune speed against cancer becomes very slow. Here is the summary of this video. Cytotoxic T cells receive antigen presentation from dendritic cells, then recognize and kill abnormal but originally our own cells, such as virus-infected cells or cancer cells.